Hey guys, have you ever encountered a washing machine like this? It's a Simpson Easy IZ 750. Um, it makes something strange. Just plug it into the wall. It works, and when you press start, fills up water, and all of a sudden shows up like that. Yeah, it's a strange beeping. Turn off. I went inside and have a look at it. Tried to bypass everything. Tried to replace the board, but I suspected it's not the board problem. So I checked the board. Seems to be alright. No burn. Tried to bypass the switch. Tried to check everything. Sensor, LED lock sensor. It's mostly common washing machine over here. LED lock sensor. Tried to check everything, but I found something strange. Sorry, I'm using analog meter. I found something strange here. When I turn on, checking the voltage, and no one's holding the camera, so I need to do this. So I found something here. I check the voltage. It's very low. So what could be the problem? It's very low voltage. So I checked the plug resistance for the cord. Seems to be alright. Turn off. Check the voltage from here. Seems to be alright, but comes up here very low. The machine's very low voltage. So I check the voltage from there. So I think I suspected this is the problem. Power point. So that's why it's giving me 100 volt. It should be 220 or 230. The voltage should be right up here, but it's giving me just somewhere around here. And give another video if this machine is fixed, and hope it's just that the problem. PowerPoint. Thanks guys.